Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this nice glowy dewy look without any foundation whatsoever. And you're going to go from looking like this to this. So let's jump right into it. So I'm going to start off by prepping my face with this toner from Thayers. It has rose water in it and it smells so good. I'm just going to use my hands and apply it all over my face and not forgetting my neck as well. Then you want to go ahead and put on whatever eye cream you have. I have the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream because I don't want my eyes looking crusty and dry. Then we're going to use some moisturizer on our face. This one has salicylic acid, which helps me with my current acne situation. You don't want to forget sunscreen as well because you don't want those harmful UV rays making you look old when you're not even that old. So, don't want to forget your neck as well. So, gonna rub that in. Yep. Alright, so my face is nice and prepped, and we're gonna start by priming my face with this Maybelline Master Studio Primer. Gonna apply that mostly in my T-zone, and whatever I have left, I'm just gonna spread it all around my face to make sure my makeup stays on all day. Since we're not going to use any foundation, I'm using this Maybelline FitMe concealer in I think medium deep. I'll have it all in the description. So I'm just going to put that under my eyes and any blemishes that I want to cover. I don't want to go too crazy with the concealer because you might as well just put foundation if you're going to go all crazy with it, right? So yeah, I'm just going to blend that all in with not this brush but with my beauty blender because I feel like it gives the most real skin look and it doesn't seem cakey. It just blends so well. So, yep. So if you guys out there are just like me with stubborn spots that don't want to get hidden, you want to just dab it in. So like I have my beauty blender, I'm just dabbing it in. I'm not smearing the product all around because if you do that, you're not really hiding anything at all. So you just want to dab it and not smear it. And moving on, we're using this e.l.f. translucent powder and it's all coming out, so you only want to use just a tiny bit because you don't need a lot for this glowy look. You don't want to be too matte with this, so I'm just going to set under my eyes, around my T-zone, and just a tiny bit wherever else I feel might oil up throughout the day. So as you can see, I hardly used anything, so that's a trick right there. Then we're going to move on to the best part, the highlight. I'm using this Mustard Stroke by Maybelline, and with my beauty blender, I'm just going to apply that on my cheekbones, brow bones. You see that shine right there? That looks so good. Did I say brow bones? Yeah, brow bones, chin, my nose, anywhere that I just want to pop. So with this Tarte Trio palette, I'm using the middle highlight shade, and I'm just going over where I highlighted with the liquid highlighter from Maybelline, just to give that extra glow and to kind of set the liquid highlighter in. Now I'm just gonna fill in my brows with this e.l.f. brow pencil, nothing too fancy here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face. So with highlight comes a little bronzing, and I'm gonna use this Catrice bronze powder. I'm not so sure what it's called, but I'm gonna contour my nose, and also using this shade from the Tarte Trio palette, I'm gonna contour my eyelids and give that nice shadowy look. With my favorite blush of all time, and you know it's my favorite because the name of it is like not even there anymore, it's gone, but I'm just using a stippling brush and applying that all over my face for that nice rosy look. And then we can finally move on to the eyes. I'm gonna finish it off with mascara. I'm gonna curl my almost non-existent eyelash and apply this Catrice Glamour Doll Volume Mascara. So if you find that you get any mascara on your eyelid, don't worry, just wait for it to dry and use a Q-tip, cotton bud, whatever you want, and then just wipe it off and it's gone. So to completely finish this look, I'm using this Korean lip tint. I really don't know what it's called. I think it's Celebeau, I don't know. And then I'm going to finish it off with my lip balm, and there you have it, this glowy dewy look. And I'm just going to use my beauty blender just to make sure everything is blended seamlessly. I'm surprised I managed to keep this video nice and short, but that is all with this glowy dewy look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button and the bell button right next to it so you know when I have a new video coming up, and I'll see you in my next video.